Hi friends, this is Maria Palito. I am a full-time illustrator and creator. Today, I have exciting news. I am thrilled to share my latest brush set for Procreate with you. Say hello to the Kawaii Sushi Maker Procreate stamp set designed to help you bring your own sushi creations to life. This set contains 64 unique Procreate stamp brushes that will help take your drawings to the next level. It's perfect for designing the cutest little sushi characters and even coming up with your own unique sushi designs. I can't wait for you to try it out and see how much fun to play around with. In this video, I am drawing 3 different designs with 64 brushes to choose from. You can mix and match to create your very own unique designs. It is so much fun. In this video, I am demonstrating how to use the Kawaii Sushi Maker Procreate stamps so you can learn how to use them and how they work. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on all of my drawing videos. Now it's time for the second drawing. To use the stamps, you need to pick up a color for the stamp and press the pencil over the iPad, and voila! You can even adjust the size as needed. If you are mixing stamps, use a different layer for each shape to make it easier to delete the overlap lines. Once you have adjusted everything, start erasing those extra lines. Finally, select all the layers and push them together to join them in one layer. Once you are done creating your design and it makes you smile, it's time to add some color and all the little details. I love designing brushes and tools for you to improve and learn more about digital art and the app Procreate. This stamp set is designed for both adults and kids who want to learn how to draw without starting from scratch. With these stamps, you can create your own designs without having to worry about drawing all the elements. Using basic stamps is a fun way to learn the techniques of coloring and drawing, making the learning process less intimidating. And finally, this is the third drawing I am making for this video. If you are looking to improve your drawing skills, this stamp set is a great way to start. If you are a beginner, start by stamping out a few shapes and coloring them in. This will help you get a feel for how the stamps work and how to color without going outside the lines. Once you are comfortable with the basic shapes, try combining them to create more complex designs. For example, you could stamp out a sushi roll shape and then add a kawaii face using other stamps in the set. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and textures. The stamps make it easy to create intricate designs without having to worry about drawing each element by hand. Remember that practice makes perfect. The more you use the stamps, the more comfortable you will become with them and the better your designs will look. This set is just too cute. You will get 36 sushi pieces, 9 kawaii faces, and 16 ready-made kawaii sushi designs. And guess what? As a super sweet bonus, they even include 3 adorable hands and legs. You can give it a kawaii touch using the 9 different faces included in the set. This will allow you to make it kawaii or not. Procreate is a versatile app for drawing, simplifies the creative process with its tools. These brushes are enjoyable to use, making it great option for artists. There you go. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to continue practicing drawing with me, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.